Aqua here, and in this particular video I'll be teaching you how to earn some algo, and this is how it works right here on the screen. So you can see same IP or same algo address can only receive drops once per hour, so you can get this algo every hour. So for you to get this algo, you will need an Algorand address, of which you can get from an Algorand wallet. So you can go to your app store or your play store to download the official Algorand address. So once you download the official Algorand address, all you need to do is to set up your Algorand address. So once you download and you create an account, you'll be given some seed phrases that you have to save somewhere very safe. So ensure that you find somewhere to write it and ensure that you save it. So once you create your algo, the thing is you need to have a balance of at least 0.1 Algorand. Currently the price of Algorand is about 1.7 USD. So that means 0.1 algo is 0.17 USD. That's about 17 cents. So you can find someone to send you the Algorand, or you can go to exchanges like Binance, KuCoin or OKX to get the algos. And once you get the algo, you can send it to your wallet. So I would drop a link on how you can buy cryptocurrency from other exchanges and also withdraw them to your Algo address or an external wallet. So once you have that, all you need to do is just to go to this link, algo faucet.link. That's that link. I'll drop the URL. I'll drop the link in the description of this video. So once you go there, you are going to be brought to a particular page which I'm going to show you. But before I show you, please kindly click on the subscribe button right now and like this video. It really helps the channel. So once you click on the link through the description, it's going to bring you to this particular page. So all you need to do is to click on this Algo address here and input your Algo address. So once I input the Algo address, all I need to do is to click on send. So once I click on send, it is going to load the page. So once it loads the page, you are going to get 0.005 algo. Like I said at the beginning of this video, you're going to get 0.005 algo, and you can always do this every hour. So that's how to get this free algo on this algo facets. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And if you are in for making money online, this is just the channel for you. You can always go ahead and click on the notification bell after subscribing. So guys, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Let me show you proof. Let me scroll down. So you can see right here, Algorand wallet 0.005. Let me click on it. So you can see I did that 4 hours ago. So it's loading. Why it loads? Sorry, it's the network error. So this is my transaction right here. So you can see 0.005 algo. This is November 25, and this is the particular day I record this video. You can see it right here. So this is the 0.05 algo. You can always do this every hour and you'll be getting free algo. So I hope these updates meet you well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.